All right, I'm here at Main Street, Unionville, enjoying my walk along here, and I'm meeting a cute dog on my walk. Who do we have here?
This is Maddie.
Maddie. Hi, Maddie.
Maddie.
How old is Maddie?
Maddie's 12 and a half.
Wow. Oh, getting a treat.
Take it. That's what she's really been focused on, is that she knows I have treats in my back
And
pocket.
what breed do we have here?
This is a golden retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And she's a very, very sweet girl at the end of her days, so we're just working on good quality of life. And coming here allows her to meet people and other
She's
dogs.
wanting more.
Oh, yeah, she will want more.
So
Okay,
cute.
Leave it. Leave
Oh my
it.
goodness. What kind of
Take it.
what kind of treats? Because I sometimes want to carry because I meet cute dogs, and I'm afraid I don't want to,
Well, we
Like-
have two cats as well, so we
cats.
get little sample bags from Pet Value where we go.
Okay.
And so sometimes I
Oh my
bring kibble.
gosh. Are you
Sometimes I take something called Cookie Pal, and I cut it up. Leave it. Gentle. Take it. There you go.
Oh, how cute.
Yeah. So I just go into a drawer.
So, and that's
grab-
safe for all dogs, do you think?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't-
She's also got kidney disease, so I try to give her
Yeah.
low protein.
Okay.
So I give her.
Sorry, the name again?
The
dog.
Her name is
Yeah.
Maddie.
Maddie. Does Maddie
M-A-D-D-I-E.
know any tricks?
Sure. Maddie, sit
Oh,
down.
very
Very
good.
Up.
Those are the questions I ask when
Just
I
one
meet
sec,
cute
one
dogs.
more.
Oh, one more.
Okay, Maddie. Great. And back. Big girl. Bucket. There
Oh
you
my
go.
gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh. So this will be on my third channel. I just changed the name on that one.
Yes.
It's called Cool Auntie.
Cool Auntie.
Yeah,
So
'cause my-
Auntie.
Yeah, Cool Auntie.
Cool Auntie. And
Yeah.
cool with a C.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, because my nephews say I'm the cooler aunt.
Oh, nice. And you don't have to tell your sister that. You're just a cool auntie by choice.
Yes. So I thought because it was called MultiTask with Lizzo C.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I've been wanting to change it, but then for fun, I'm like, I'm going to call myself Cool Auntie. Well, thank you so much, and hopefully you'll find my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Well, that's not nice. Isn't that nice? Nice people up here to chat with and meet their cute dogs. That's it from Main Street, Unionville here, and they have construction. I'm going to continue a recording of a walk here. So this will be meeting cute dogs on my walks here at Main Street, Unionville.